The structured cabling systems consist of the complete cabling and associated hardware within your office space. With its help, you can optimize a more comprehensive infrastructure for your telecommunication. Not only does it allow a broader range of use, but it also helps in faster data transmission throughout your entire computer network. These cables are set up through Internet cable installation and link your systems to the Internet for faster connectivity. In this episode, we will discuss reasons to choose structured cabling for your business. 1. Structured cabling is the future. Even as we live through the wireless revolution, structured cabling systems will stay relevant for businesses. They help keep things organized, but at the same time, are more reliable. 2. Security requirements. Structured cable systems are proven to be customizable, organized, and very safe solutions for transferring confidential business information. That is also why they are standard across much industrial use despite the popularity of wireless networks. 3. Seamless integration of low-voltage technologies. You can now enjoy an environmentally controlled centralized network system with structured cabling. Now you can increase your productivity with a seamless information flow. 4. Better flexibility in moves, adds, changes. You can easily move, add, and make necessary alterations to your network cabling infrastructure when you have a structured cabling system. Even troubleshooting becomes easy with these and can detect the problems much faster. 5. Long life. Structured cabling systems will support all your applications and hardware, even after making the changes or mixing and cabling vendor. With some adequately installed structural cable systems, you are no longer required to rework the cabling after upgrading to another vendor or model. 6. Consistency. The best part about these types of cables is perhaps the consistency they provide. You can use the same cabling system for all purposes. Standardizing your system has never been easier, whether for a phone, standard Ethernet cable, or ISDN cabling. To know more about structured cabling systems, reach House of IT. Let us help you get the right network that supports your business growth instead of hindering it. Visit our website: https://houseofit.ph/